What is social media marketing? If you ever scrolled through Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, etc. and saw an ad or a post from an organization, that's social media marketing. There is organic social media marketing and paid social media marketing. Now, the difference is subtle but important. So let's use Facebook as an example. A paid ad is one which is designed and targeted at potential customers who don't already like your company on Facebook. The ad might be to encourage them to like your page, to view some content, to inquire, to purchase, etc. But it's a paid ad and most often aimed at brand new customers. On the other hand, organic social media marketing on Facebook is a post you put on your company's newsfeed just like you would on your personal feed. It's for your friends and followers who already know about you and have liked you already. Now, you can boost an organic post with money, but this is different to a paid ad, which originates from Facebook Ads Manager and has far more sophisticated targeting and configuration options. How does social media marketing affect small business? The best way for a small business to think about social media marketing is it's like a traditional billboard or bus stop ad. You choose which suburbs or cities that it goes, you design the image or the video, write the caption, and you show it to people in the hope that they might be interested. But in addition, with social media, you can go a lot further and choose to show the ad only to specific people in that suburb, like mums who earn over 100K a year, or people who just look like your current customers. And you can show the ad at specific times of the day or week, and you can split test the ads to see, which video or photo or caption works best. It's a very powerful and inexpensive way to reach your desired customers. How to measure social media marketing performance? You can measure it in a number of ways, but the most commonly used method is return on ad spend, or ROAS. So if you spend $1,000 on Facebook ads and make $3,000 in sale, you have a 3 times ROAS. Now, while that's the most common way, it's arguably not the best way. A lot of people on Facebook might see your ad and not click it because while they are interested in your product and they liked your ad, they're actually at that time more interested in their friends' photos from their holiday on Hamilton Island. So let's just say you sell women's shoes, and just because someone saw your ad a few times and didn't buy immediately doesn't mean that the ad was ineffective. They may wait until they feel the need to buy a new pair of shoes, and because of your ads, they remember your brand name and search for it on Google. At which point, Google's stats claim all the credit, leaving the Facebook stats looking worse than they are. This is where I could start a whole other video on statistical analysis and attribution modeling, but all you need to know is that social media marketing should be judged by more than ROAS alone. Look at impressions, engagement, site visits, all of these in addition to ROAS, and bear in mind that social media marketing is helping create awareness that will eventually drive new sales.